Okay, so in previous class we have done that Ansible installation, and we tried to do some Ansible ad hoc commands to check our remote machines. Okay, like what we have done, like we install Ansible, then this is our Ansible control machine. Okay, this is similar EC2 machine, and we install Ansible here. Then what will we do? Using Ansible control machine, we manage two EC2. Not fully manage actually. We checking that machine's information like CPU information, information. Then we try to check that ping connection. Okay, that machine is um, accessible or not, or active or not. So these are the things that we check with the Ansible commands. You all remember, right? So today we are going to do how to deploy some application. Okay, how to deploy a sample application using Ansible. I mean, for that, what we need to do, we need to deploy a web server, right? To the targeted missions. Here, these are our target missions, right? The first EC2 and this is our second EC2. These tools are our targeted missions. So we need to install, or we need to push that installation code of web server. Okay, first. The second one, we need to push that application code to that the corresponding web server directory. Push code to targeted server. Got it? Any doubt? Yeah. For this
I
scenario,
had one question. I'm sorry, I needed to unmute. So the first is a web server, and
yes,
second is the first step is you're gonna install a web server,
yes,
and then you're gonna push the code to the targeted web server.
right.
But you're gonna use Ansible to do these things.
Yes. Using
Okay.
Ansible, we do this one, or we are going to install web server and pushing code from the host machine. This is an Ansible host machine. Okay, this is our host machine. So ensure that that code and everything that we keep in this host machine working directory. Okay. Also, we need to create a Ansible playbook. Got it? Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? No doubt, right?
No, sir.
So what is the Ansible playbook? Ansible playbook is used to automate the setup, configuration, and deployment of any services or any application. Okay. So we need to create a playbook. Playbook actually is a YAML file. So we define our resources using that YAML file. Okay, what are things that we are going to do or going to deploy in our targeted missions? So I will show you this sample playbook file. Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
So this is a uh, playbook, okay, Ansible playbook. And here I already defined that setup configuration. So actually we called as this is a playbook metadata. Okay, metadata means that all the information, okay, we define here. So here we can see the names under the metadata. This is the YAML metadata, okay, or the playbook metadata we call as. So first started with the dash name. So the name first here it's define or describe the playbook or the place purpose. Okay, so which is set to startup setup Nginx server on my server list. That means I have a server list. Okay, so under the host, this host specifies the targeted host. Okay, in this case, this host defined under the web group. This is actually a group, okay? That group contain the host. For example, we have a 10 server, okay? So we need to add that 10 server IP, or we need to add that 10 server in a group, that group name called web. So here we define our group under the host, okay? So become true, that ensure that the task will run with the elevated privilege like sudo. Then coming to task, okay. Now we have started this task. So each task perform a specific operation to set up and managing our Nginx. Okay. So here under the task, first starting with a name. So this is the name of our first task, okay. Install the latest version of Nginx. So this is a name actually, okay. So we need to provide that command as well for doing that Nginx. I mean, getting the latest Nginx. So how we will install manually? So same command we provided here. Sudo yum install nginx -y. So what will happen is this command execute the yum install nginx. So it will ensure the nginx installed successfully. Then one arguments here I added, that is that argument is actually for create something, okay, create something in that targeted machine, okay. So the argument that is creates, so it's this will prevent reinstallation if nginx is already installed by checking if this directory exists. This is the nginx directory actually, okay. For example, whenever we installing Nginx, that Nginx predefined directory is this one, okay. Otherwise, this directory is not belongs to our targeted machine or the Linux machine. So what will happen? These arguments, okay. So this will prevent reinstallation if Nginx is already installed by checking the agreements, okay. So for example, first we run this playbook, okay. So what will happen? It will installing this Nginx and done the job. Okay. After we added something in the last for example, we added one more task in this same playbook. Okay. Then we apply the same playbook again. So at that time, what will happen? This will deny it because whenever checking that dash sbin Nginx, this playbook can see there is a directory there. So this is not installing the Nginx. So rest of them, it will install, okay. I mean, the new latest task. Then the next one is name start nginx. So here you can see we use the service. Okay, service use the service module. This is actually module. Okay, to start nginx immediately. So state is started. This is actually a module. Okay, the service is a module. Then enable nginx.
I had one question.
Yes.
So is the playbook your plan of how you're going to go about it, or does a playbook like an executable file or a script? Like, can the
No, no, no.
computer
This is similar
parse
like
this into?
yes, this is similar like Kubernetes. We need to push Kubernetes or Terraform. We need to create a file called playbook. Okay. Then we have to push from our local machine to the target machine. It's not an executable file actually. But
But this code
this
has syntax. It's not like you writing notes. It's not like pseudocode. It has syntax. If you can make a syntax error in the playbook.
yes.
Okay. Does it always have like the tasks, name, command,
Right,
args,
right, right, right.
name,
This is human
service?
durable, right? Anyone can read. Like this is a first task, just a name. I mean, what are the step-by-step process to install each task? Okay. So under you can see these are the tasks started here. The first one is installing latest version of Nginx. Okay. Second is start Nginx, enable Nginx, ensure Nginx is at the latest version. So what will happen? How we checking in manually Nginx version? So this will checking the version using commands.
So it runs all those commands in that row. So it's like a script.
Right, right.
And it only runs what is commands. Like let's say you wrote anything like plain English in the name, it doesn't matter. It might show
Mm.
it as like
Yes, yes,
that's the name, but it's not going to run it like a command. So it doesn't. The name field can have any syntax there. It doesn't matter.
yes.
But a command, everything that's in front of the command has to be correct. Or source, this destination, those probably have to be correct.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. So yeah. So coming to enable, okay, that next task coming to enable. Again, we use a module service, then the name is Nginx, then enable is yes. That means this ensure that the Nginx start automatically on boot, right? So for example, we deploy these things, okay? So we just restarted our machine. So at that time, what will happen? The Nginx will automatically start when that machine boot, okay, after boot. Then ensure Nginx latest version. This is also a command that we need to perform, like Nginx dash version. So what will happen? This will list that version of the Nginx, okay? Then get status of installed Nginx. So after that, okay, these are the step-by-step process, okay? This is like a layers. So next thing is get the status of install Nginx. So the command is systemctl status Nginx. Then the next one is another module, okay, that is copy. So copy something, okay. So this task name is Ansible copy file to remote server. So using copy, then we need to specify the source and the destination directory or the path. So this should be the destination path and then file name. File name is sample.txt and where it is goes in the destination server, okay. That means our target server. So same way we need to provide that path, I mean the directory, then the file name. This is actually just copying some files, okay, from our local machine to target machine. And this is deploy HTML file, okay. This is actually the application code movement. So we use same way like uh, copying some files like index.html consider from our local machine to that destination machine where the Nginx path, okay, where we kept that index.html. So these are the steps we need to follow to deploy web server with the application. So this playbook install and configure Nginx and ensures it start on boot, then verify its version and status, and deploy a sample HTML file for web hosting. So each step is automated to streamline Nginx setup and content deployment on the specific host. So we can jump into the lab, right?
Sure.
So for that, we need to deploy similar way like 3 machine or 4 machine as per the requirement. So I will take 3, okay. One is for the Ansible and 2 for my target machine. Here I am adding one more security group. I mean port that is for HTTP, okay, to accessing our application. So anyone can access launch. Okay, so I created 3 machines. Then yeah. So first I need to log into the Ansible to install the Ansible. So connect. So I'm installing Ansible. So yeah, successfully install Ansible. Ansible version. 2.1.5. Then we need to write that inventory, right? Because Ansible knows what are the targeted machines. So how they access, I mean, recognize that using target, right? So we need to create a file called a target. Target, nano. I mean, not file called target, that inventory, okay, nano. Inventory, where we keeping that inventory of the machine's name, everything, okay. Inventory dot txt. So here we need to mention that our two targets details, okay. So Ansible target one, Ansible host L2. Here we need to provide the IP of the targeted machines. So public IP, okay, copy the public IP, then paste it here. Then we need to provide the connection type, Ansible connection. Which way we accessing this machines using SSH, right? Then the Ansible user. Default username for the Amazon Linux EC2 user. Okay. So do the same for the next mission as well. I only changing the IP. The left of them are same. If the machine is Ubuntu, then we need to specify the username as Ubuntu, or which username that we are going to use for the specific mission. I'm copy the other mission IP and paste it here. Okay, this is fine. Target host. Also, I need to change the target 1 to 2. Saving. Okay, now I have the inventory file. So same way, I am. This is the Ansible is trying to use that machine using protocol SSH, and we provide the IP, but we didn't provide the PIM key. Okay, for like log into that machine. Okay, so we need to provide that key as well. So I'm creating a file nano to keep that key credentials. Okay, key.pem. So I have that key in my local machine, so I am going to copy that one. So I copied. So this is my encrypted file. Okay, paste this one. So, I mean, I have that PEM key. I downloaded that PEM key. Okay, whenever you're creating a PEM key in that EC2 dashboard, it will download in our downloads, local machine downloads. So just open that with any notepad. So we will get these files and copy, then paste it here. Actually, we create the same file in this machine. That's all. Okay, now you can see key.pem is here. Next, we need to provide that key.pem some permissions using chmod 400 key.pem. 400 means we provide that read access for the owner. Okay. Okay, identity added. Now we can try to check Ansible is working or not. Ansible target. Sorry, Ansible target. One. Then the ping, this is dash m for the module. Okay, we are using a module ping module. So module ping, then dash I for the file name inventory, where we keeping that inventory file. Okay, so in this case, this is a file. This is a file where we keeping that inventory of our target mission. Txt hit enter. Okay, successful. Same way I'm using target 2. Yes. Okay, see, both machine is accessible using Ansible. So here you can see Ansible target 1 and target 2 for accessing different machine. Okay, this is complex because, for example, if we have 100 machine, then we need to provide 100 machine name there. Okay, that name we define in that inventory. So we can grouping that machines category. Okay, so how we can grouping? I'll show you. Nano inventory. Just opening the inventory with the text editor. So here you can see this is actually ungrouped, okay, these two machines. So we can grouping this one using this way, okay, just open this brace and inside the brace we need to provide which group, okay. So here, for example, it's under production. So these two machines under production, okay. So this way we can categorize or grouping these machines. So next time we didn't mention target 1 or target 2. Only we provide that group name, okay, instead of Ansible target. So Ansible, the group name prod, and do the same. So see, so the Ansible looking for that group name, and under group name there is two machines, so it will ping to the both of machines. So our next target is we need to write that playbook to deploy some application, okay. So we can go to write that playbook. Playbook.
Playbook spelling is wrong.
So here I need to provide that metadata. See, I provide the same metadata, okay. So this will ensure that, yes, everything is fine. Installing Nginx and copying some files after deploying application HTML file from source to destination. Save it. So next we need to deploy this playbook to our target server, right? So we can push that using same Ansible commands, okay? Ansible. Then the playbook name, okay? Playbook. Then the inventory name. Inventory. Dot txt. Some errors are there.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
When I run single tasks playbook.
You have to write the name Ansible target, and you gave names to their instance machines, right? We have to write Ansible playbook, those names, those machines.
Yes, yeah, we'll check. Okay. No, okay, 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 okay. We didn't mention that. Hmm. Don't know. We missed the format. Okay. We need to mention that format name. So nano playbook. Actually, the format is YAML. Okay. Dot YAML. Playbook. Dot YAML. So now we need to paste and check everything is ready. Okay. See now.
You could have done CP playbook space playbook.yaml, so to copy it from one
Yes,
terminal.
yes, yes. So I just remove. Yeah, both way we can use. So now we can try to push this playbook.yaml to target machines. Okay. So the command should be like this. Okay. Ansible playbook. Then the playbook name. Here the playbook name is same playbook. Playbook.yaml. Then YAML Ansible playbook. Then the playbook name. Then we need to provide that like a log of
Target machines.
web browse. So we can use V. So we will see what are the steps that that the Ansible follow. Okay, this is fine. Just hit enter. Mm, okay, okay, okay. This is the error. No host found match in the next. Okay, so we need to ensure something. Okay, so we here in that YAML file. Okay, I will show the YAML file cat playbook.yaml. Here first we defined the host. Here the issues you can see skipping no host matched. So here we added a host. That host name is web. So see, this is our targeted machines group, okay, actually, or the host name actually. So we need to create that in the Ansible configuration. So cd, first we need to go there, etc. So here we can see a folder like Ansible, ls. Yeah, here only the roles are here. Okay, so we need to create a host, mkdir, not host file. So here we need to add that machines, okay, under the group web. Then what we have to do here, we just copy the IP address of our target, hit enter, and the target one, paste, Control XY, fine, then cd home. Okay, now and try the command again. Again, another issues. Failed to create temporary directory. In some cases, you may have been authenticated and did not have permission to target. Consider changing the remote temp in ansible.config. Path routed for more information. Okay. Exit. One more thing I need to do, inventory. I'm changing the group to
Should you have written sudo nano, then the inventory.txt? I
yes.
think you wrote nano sudo. That was your command.
Oh, I have changed.
Did it open a file named sudo?
Yeah.
You have to remove that probably.
Like this. Fatal to not five unreachable. Fail to connect to the such permission denied. Just to verify the connection is stable or not. Okay. And simple inventory. Target two.
Now it will work probably.
Are you sure?
I think so. You need to say sudo before that. Sudo ssh add.
Could not open a connection to your authentication agent.
Can you try giving a complete the PEM key file path?
Instead of this, right?
Yeah. Yes. You know, along with this, you just previously you gave, right? Along
Yes.
with that.
But
Okay.
that file is in same directory.
That's
If
okay.
he
You
does
have to
ls,
give.
he'll see it there. Do ls to see if it's there.
Which one?
If you did ls in this directory, will you see it there? Key.pem.
Yes, it's here. Okay. Because now I am in the user. That's why I think this is not taken. If I am in the root, it will take ls.
So do sudo su and then do run all those again.
If I am in the root, this will work. Chmod 400 kilo. Then SSH add. Gent. SSH add.
I think you have to switch out of the root user now.
Yes, I think 34 and 35. From the user, we face some issues. But root is accessible, but as a root user, we can't run that playbook. That's error. See, rather than root.
They were the role identity access management, some IAM modification we need to do for the user.
No.
You can't change the permission because you're not a root.
Try chmod 400 -home -ec2
400.
space hyphen no backslash, sorry, not hyphen, backslash home sorry, it's a forward slash. I'm sorry, Tawfiq. Yeah, home / ec2 hyphen user / key.pem. Oh my god, let me think, what is that error? There's a permission issue, I guess.
Yes.
Now type private _
Private.
yeah, key _ files hyphen slim /home / ec2
/
home home space hyphen
this hyphen, right?
yes /
Mm.
/ home /EC2 -user /key.pem. Right? Private key file not found. Can we do manual SSH? Can we do manual SSH?
I will do one command. Okay, just a try. That will work actually.
SSH-I
SSH-I
space key.pem space EC2.
This is for logging, right?
Yeah, just for manually trying to verify that work actually.
Yes.
Manually SSHing that one.
That is fine actually. I am here. The problem is the access issues. Okay, so I think I have one command that I'll try. Okay, after that we can check. Okay.
Okay.
How are you going to use the process ID of the agent? This is agent. You're going to kill the process and then do something?
No. Agent.
Oh, you added that process.
Yes. SSH-key.com.
Do it with sudo.
Wait,
Same
I
command
will
with sudo.
try the same in local way. Well,
What does the -L flag do in SSH add? List the identities.
Listing. Same issue, I think. Sometimes we are
Refreshing a browser.
Which browser? This one, right?
The browser you're in, yeah. Try the command again. Is it a security group issue? The security group properties in the VPC?
No, because all three missions are the same. Sometimes we face same error. Okay. For example, if you try the same way, you can access this one, but sometimes we face error. Here also it's permission denied. See, here it is added.
So the root command worked here.
Yes. Okay. So we can troubleshoot tomorrow, right?
Sure. Or maybe Monday.
Oh, sorry. Monday, yes.
That's fine by me.
Yeah. Deepthi, can you share your screen?
Sure, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Actually, while building pipeline, it was an issue like this.
What does log say?
Hmm. No. Why the issue has happened, I don't know.
Go to console output.
Okay.
Yeah, click on the recent build,
Recent bill, okay.
left side. Yes.
For the reasonable, there is no changes. Some configuration is missing in that
Yes.
movie.
Yes.
Did you configure the webhook?
Webhook.
Webhook.
Console output. This is the console output.
Tool name Sonar Scanner found.
Node. Did you install the
no.
node?
I think you need to go to SonarCube and install the plugins.
I already did that one, sir.
Did you configure tools?
Yes, sir. I already configured the tools.
To SonarCube.
So,
Not did it.
JDK. Okay.
Yeah,
These
Sonar.
are the Sonar Cube.
So that's the name. Are you sure the names we use in that Groovy YAML? We need to cross check. Okay.
Sonar
Okay, sir.
Cube server that is actually.
Yes.
Come down. Check the Node.js.
Okay. Node.js 16. Sir, I think Node.js 17.7.2, is it fine or we need to
That's
put
fine.
another one? Okay.
If any issue, then we can change.
Okay, sir. Well, coming to the console output also, it was showing that a SonarCube issue only.
Yes.
These are the Docker installs.
Okay. You save and run it again.
Apply.
Okay.
Apply save. Yeah.
Okay. This is the build history.
Mm,
Build now.
Okay. Build schedule.
Yeah, wait, it will build.
it's not running, right?
Yes, yes. Previously, it's run, but error came.
Go to
the
Sonar
Groovy.
application.
Configure. These are the pipeline config.
Come down. Go to Groovy script.
Groovy script.
Yeah, go. This is a Sonar Scope scanner, correct?
Yes, I think.
Copy that name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go and change that.
Use that one. Okay. And in the tools.
Okay. Let's see. Yes, cool. Sonar Cube scanner. Is it fine, sir? History. No, it was coming like a bill schedule. Yeah, now it is.
Wait.
But SonarCube analysis is fake, right?
Yes.
Go to Sonar Cube application.
Sonar Cube application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Administration,
Administration.
configuration.
Actually, I created token also, sir.
Not token. Webhook. Created webhook.
No, I didn't create webhook.
I messaged you, right, to create a webhook.
Yeah. Sir, can you help me to troubleshoot this issue?
Give me the control.
Okay, sir.
So we need to type full URL webhook. Yeah.
This is fine, right?
Yes.
But I can save. Can you save?
Sure, sir. This was not scrolling down.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Can you change the name to Sonar Scanner?
Okay.
This is tool, right? I mean,
Yes.
Okay.
yeah.
Tawfiq, I can work on this one if you have any other work.
Okay. Then shall I leave?
Yeah, Deepthi, we'll both will work.
Yeah, sure.
I'll stay to help you.
Yeah, memory is very much required now.
Then
Okay.
shall I leave?
Yeah,
See,
Tawfiq.
see you on Monday, okay?
Sure.
Okay, see you
Okay,
Monday.
sir.
Have a good weekend.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, Deepthi, can you give me control?